You're not allowed to come here, Baba, because of your height. My height.
How tall you are?
Check your height. Good? Okay, Baba, be careful. Alright.
Green one.
The green one. Go. Ito natin hihintayin si Holly, Kylie, Sophie, and Zach. Si Kuya, hindi siya nag-go.
Yeah.
Okay, let's sit here. Hala, for Holly, ha? You think Holly will be alright? Oh, ang bilis.
I didn't even.
Okay, you gonna go back? Go. Come on, go. While we're waiting here, go. Go, Mama! Good job! Good job, Mama and Kylie! Oh my God, na hindi ko siya... Well done! Go, Mama! Good job! Good job, Mama and Kylie! Oh my God, na hindi ko siya... Well done! You did it! Come here, Baba! You did it, Baba! Oh, ang bilis! Ayan si Zach! Sophie!
I didn't even.
Okay, you gonna go back? Go! Come on, go! While we're waiting here, go! Gagawin natin ni Zach is yung Zach. Kasi si Sophie... Ayan si Zach! Hindi ko pa nakita natin.
So, I thought I was gonna fall off the slide.
No. Was it fun?
Look at that.
Si Holly at si Kylie, balik sila doon. Si Zach bumalik, nagpangatlo. Si Kuya ayaw niya. Kain tayong biscuit. Nasaan na yung biscuit? Ito. Yung salt cheese. Kuya, good job. Ayan. Alright. Sila ni Joe. Go, Joey! Kaming dalawa. Kalma lang kami ni Jen dito.
I fell apart from this.
You like the drop? Ginawa nila yung isa.
I had my feet like that, and then I just crossed it.
Si Kuya tsaka ito naging si Zach. Holly! Ayun si Holly! Si Kylie hindi natin nakuhaan. Where's Kuya? Si Kuya! Walang Kuya.
That's not even that scary. The drop one is better. Because I got stuck. Oh, this is Sophie.
Yeah, this is Sophie. This is Sophie. Go, Soph. Yeah, this is Sophie.
Push your leg.
It's alright.
Push your leg.
Next, ano na tayo? Next ride. Ayun na yung dalawa. So, abangan natin sila kung saan sila lalabas. See ya! Enjoy, Baba! Ano yung dalawa? Ang ganda, Holly. Baba! Ito yung mag-ama. Was it fun, Baba? Pa hindi na tinapunan si Kuya at si Zach. Dito sila lumabas sa pangalawa. Si Johnny Boy. Asa si Kylie? Kaya nakalabas na si John Sophie. Yung dalawa, nasaan na? Kuya nagsulo. Doon siya lumabas. Dito ako naghihintay. Nandun si Kuya, oh. Ang cute ni Jan. Nasa phone ko lang na film. Insert ko na lang. Magsiswimming daw. So, punta rin tayo dito, guys. So, at least makapag-swimming man lang ang inyong videographer. Thank you. Is this alright? Yeah. Thank you. Niyayaya ko ng mga boys na mag-slide. Yeah, okay.
Mom! You wanna go on this slide with me? It's not scary. Dad, today I'm going to slide.
Niyayaya ko ng mga boys na mag-slide. Yeah, okay.
There's Kylie and Zach. That's the team. There's Kylie and Zach. That's the team. He's cool.
Well, she said you stay with Oliver.
There's Kylie and Holly. Fucking hell, they didn't even know. We were humming, mate. I didn't even...
Well, that's true. I was like, because the camera there, last time the camera got me like, it's like a weird one. So I tried to... Dad, did you see these shoes, guys? We nearly hit the top of that wall. It'll be on film.
Look ahead.
Nag-slide ulit sila. Nag-slide ako, guys. Diyos ko, ang sakit sa puwet. Sakit sa puwet. Para siyang tornado na semi-tornado. Yeah. Yeah. So, ito yung next namin gagawin. Ilalagay lang muna namin lahat ng gamit, pati kayo sa locker namin para makasama ako dito sa lazy river na to. Yan yung gagawin namin next. Ano ba yan? Iiwan ko kayo dito para makasama naman ang inyong videographer. Tapos na kami dun sa lazy river. Kumuha lang kami ng tubig kasi nag-donut kami, guys. Kasi eto, mayroon tong $50 yung blue. Nag-load kami dyan ng pera para makabili. Kasi bawal yung cash dito na magbayad ka para makabili ng pagkain. So, bumili kami sarap ng donuts. Eh, nakabili na rin ng Coke. Ayun sila, coffee. Yeah, we don't have enough money now.
When you get money?
I don't know. Bumili si Holly, si Sak ng popcorn. Kinuha niya yung yung ating... No, I'm good. Yung ating rest band. Yung popcorn. I need a rest band, Sak. Thank you. Salted caramel. Salted, pero matamis siya. Pero hindi daw siya caramel, sabi nila. Nice, na? It's hot, no? Still hot. Tapos na kami mag-popcorn, mag-rides ulit. Next nila, may drop doon. Or kaya yung slide. Doon sila manggagaling o kaya dito. Drop yung isa, and dito slide lang. Andun na sila sa pinakataas. Ayan, Sak. Sak! Kuya! Holly! Good job, Baba! Well done! Si Joe lang next. Ito try ni Joe yung drop.
There you go, the half starting to race now. There you go, look. Watch him come up here, look. Oh, gee, that was quick. How you doing?
Dito naman sila sa another slide. Maghintay naman kami dito. Si John dalawang dalawang ride dun sa drop. Oh.
That was pretty good.
Go this one. It's faster this one. No, it's Joe. That's Joe.
I'm just waiting for my daughter.
Hey, Dad, that's hard. I know. Let's go to the slide one.
I thought that was
Good job, Baba. Well done.
Say, Dad, did you go fast? What did you go fast?
Okay, tapos tayo dito. Next, ano naman tayo? Next ride. Balik kami dito. Dito ulit. Zachary. That's Holly.
Here's Holly.
Go, Baba. Welcome, baby. They're getting this. This is Sophie.
Here.
Ow! Yeah, good job, Peter and Zach.
Great job, you did it. Yeah, it hurts.
Good job, Kuya. And Zach. Ito ginawa namin ni Zach. And sila rin ni Kuya and Holly. Dapat kaming dalawa. Wala tayong memory, guys. Here. Guys, eh. No, here na lang. Come on. Hurry. You're not gonna change? Yeah, nakaligo na ako. Ang gwapo ni Jan sa kanyang suot. Kaya, sabi ko mag-bis din ako ng ganito. Ang susutin ko sana, same pa rin kanina. Habol namin yung dinner kasi late na tayo. Kasi nagpa-massage ako, diba? And si Jan, ang gwapo ng suot ni Johnny Boy. Yung nabili niya nung nakaraan. Chuck, is it closed? Okay, let's go. So, ito yung OOTD na hindi nyo makita. Naglagay lang ako dyan na Hollywood tape. Tapos, naka-nipple, ano lang tayo, plaster. And yung gamit ko ulit is yung Arcadia na anong tawag doon? Jelly stick. And then yung Arcadia na lip tint nila. Nakalimutan ko yung shade. Pero dalawa lang naman yung shade ng aking Arcadia na lip tint. And isa lang yung ating shade, yung sheer yung ating jelly lipstick. Ha? Yeah. Okay, we have to hurry up. Come on. Yeah. Oh, you know what I forgot? Yes. Forgot my phone na kami. Hello! Tapos mga copyright tayo. Ay, si Johnny Boy, oh.
Yellow for me.
That, si Kuya, at ayun yung mga kids. Umiinom na ako, guys. Bago tayo pumunta dyan. Pasok na kami dito.
Sky's beautiful and so are you. I wanna make it up to you, start something new. Yeah, I've been thinking of the parts I played for you. Now I'm drinking from the bottle as I do. It's like a long dream. You're on the wrong team. Oh, there's a light and there's a fire coming out of me every time I see what you do. Traffic through the emotion. One is a boy fighting hard to be the better part of me, the better part of me, the better part of me. Another day, another ride, trying to sugarcoat and reconcile, so I can do a dance and make us both forget, only to start it up and play it out again. It's like a long
Exit Western 1942.
wanna shout I love that I love you, baby. Had a chance, babe, to work it all out, but we blew it on a foolish pride, and now I wanna scream and shout. Oh, shout that I love you, baby. If you want, I'll come back again. I know I changed my mind too many times. If I say that I still love you, babe, would you leave all bad things behind? I promise I won't mess things up like I did last time I saw you. I did a lot of things that I regret. Now I'm not playing hard to get. Oh, I decide.
Fire dance. Nasaan na? And maganda, masarap yung pagkain, nagustuhan naman namin. And masarap yung dessert, hindi ko na na-vlog kasi copyright guys. Narinig nyo yung waves? Thank you. And bukas, may adventure kami ni Sak, right? Sak, you're coming with mommy? Yes. So, abangan yung adventure namin ni Sak. So, yun na yung vlog natin. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Hindi ako masyado dito nakapag-vlog. May kita nyo siguro yung mga clips, pero may music siya kasi nga, mga copyright tayo. Kasi ang dinner pala dito is Friday Sunset Grill. Ayan. So, every Friday may ganito silang pakulo. So, yun na guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night, Joe. Good night siya.
Good night.
Because I think I do.